Let's see how you can copy a campaign in Google Ads. To copy a campaign, all you have to do is click on the checkbox. If you have multiple campaigns, you want to copy them together, you can click on multiple of them. So you have to click here, go to edit, click on copy, click on copy. So if you'll see, I've copied, and then click on close. Once you copy a campaign, refresh your page, refresh the window, and you'll see a paste button. Here you see the paste button, and click on paste. If you want to pause the new campaign after pasting, you can. So I'll just pause it and paste. So if you see, it's going in the background, and if you want to run it in the background, just click on that, and then you can make further changes. Same you can do with ad sets if you want to create copy of ad groups and if you want to create copy of ads.